Here are 9 upcoming BL Boys Love series set for November 2025, with a short synopsis for each. Number 1. New Boyfriend, Thailand. Premiere date, the 1st of November 2025. Platform, YouTube and other streaming, TBA. Synopsis. When the right person is closer than you think. A gentle Thai BL romance that promises warm chemistry. Why to watch? A fresh Thai BL on a casual platform, YouTube, which may make it more accessible. Number 2. Tide of Love, South Korea. Premiere date, the 1st of November 2025. Platform, YouTube. Synopsis. Two strangers joined by a contract, a cold air and a struggling artist. What starts as business slowly becomes something more tender. Set by the seaside in autumn. Why to watch? A Korean BL which uses the contract turns to feelings trope, set in a picturesque seasonal backdrop, possibly visually appealing. Number 4. Interminable, Thailand. Premiere date, the 7th of November 2025. Platform, iQIYI. Synopsis. A love that never died. The spirit of a nobleman remains tied to a dancer across lifetimes. When fate reconnects them, memories awaken and history demands closure. Based on the novel, A Songkai. Why to watch? A fantasy BL with reincarnation, memory elements, offers something a bit different from typical school or office settings. Number 4. Hearts Aglow, Thailand. Premiere date, approximately 10 the 11th of November 2025. Platform, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, vertical series. Synopsis, disguises, secrets, and unexpected affection. A wealthy heir hides his identity to reclaim what's his, but ends up losing his heart. Love shines brightest when least expected. Why to watch? A short-form vertical BL, ideal if you like something bite-sized and modern format friendly. Number 5. Me and the Thailand. Premiere date, tilde the 15th of November 2025. Platform, GMM25 and iQIYI. Synopsis. A charming Thai BL about a wealthy heir and his love coach whose lessons turn into a playful, heartwarming romance full of humor. Why to watch? Lighthearted comedy with the wealthy heir plus coach, dynamic, good for fans of fluffy BL. Number 6. If no Sekai the Koi ga Hajimaru, Japan. Premiere date, the 21st of November 2025. Platform, MBS TV. Synopsis. Akihito wishes to be stronger, and then finds himself transported to a world where his ideal self already exists. A heartfelt Japanese BL fantasy about identity, courage, and love that transcends worlds. Why to watch? A fantasy, parallel world take on BL, from Japan, good for those seeking something more conceptually unique. Number 7. Propaganda Game, Japan. Premiere date, the 18th of November 2025. Platform, TVer. Synopsis. 8 students compete in a recruitment game between government and resistance. As strategies unfold, truth and lies blur in this tense Japanese BL drama blending love, rivalry, and power. Why to watch? Tension, competition and love all wrapped in one, less sweet romance, more dramatic BL. Number 8. Peach Trap, South Korea. Premiere date, the 6th of November 2025. Episodes. Approximately 8 episodes, approximately 25 minutes each. Synopsis. Doha. A young man who's never dated, gets caught up in a storm of love signals from 3 different men, a whirlwind of romantic comedy and sorting out feelings. Why to watch? Korean BL with a love square instead of triangle, the cast and format look promising. Number 9. Relive, Thailand. Premiere date, the 29th of November 2025. Platform, 131, Thailand. Synopsis. Can ex-lovers fall in love again? Dan and Akin reunite after years apart, familiar feelings resurface, but second chances don't come without new complications, and possibly new hearts in the mix. Why to watch? Adult characters per second chance theme, a bit different from usual youth-centric BL.